Okay, now we will spend time installing NetMiner together. First, you will need to go to the NetMiner homepage and create an account. Then, after you create your own account and login, click on Download from Resource Center in Support. When you click on the Download button next to Free Trial, the download process will begin. This is a version where you can try all the NetMiner features for free for 28 days and can analyze up to 10,000 nodes of data in the program. Now, let's try this together. First, go to the NetMiner homepage like this. Expecting that you already created an account, let's log in. Then, go to the Resource Center menu in Support and click Download. Here below, you can click on the Download button next to Free Trial version to start the down. Now that NetMiner is downloaded, you can see the software file in the Download folder on your Computer File Explorer. Now, we will start the installation by double-clicking on this downloaded file. The setup page will appear. Here, click Next and agree on the usage policy. Then, check where the software will be installed in. This means that NetMiner will be installed in this location. After you click on Install, you can see that there are many things being downloaded. After waiting a little, a message will appear showing that the download is complete. Click Finish to end the page and open NetMiner. Before you open NetMiner, the message that you see on the screen indicates that as you are using the trial version, you can use the software for 28 days. The number of days will reduce throughout these days. If you would like to continue using NetMiner after your trial ends, you will need to purchase the software on our website. You can also see the price on the NetMiner homepage. Now, if we click on OK, if you use this gray NetMiner screen, this means that you have successfully installed NetMiner on your device. We will end this clip here. From the next video, we will learn and practice how to use NetMiner together. Thank you.